Arlo security camera batteries can last a long time under normal use, but it's handy to have spare ones around to keep your space secure when it comes time to charge them. And these Wasserstein batteries and charger work great to keep your Arlo cameras functioning at all times. In the package, there are 2 replacement batteries, a charging dock, power plug, USB cable, and instruction manual. The batteries in this kit will fit Arlo Pro and Arlo Pro 2 cameras. So let's do a quick comparison of the official Arlo Pro 2 battery and the ones I have from Wasserstein. Side by side, the batteries are almost identical except for the logo markings on the front, and it's pretty much the same on the back as well. The included dual charging dock is nice because it has a nice satisfying click-in functionality, so you can confirm that the battery has been properly engaged inside the charger. The blue LEDs on the front flash during charging and turn solid when done. To remove a battery, just lightly press down and it'll pop out. And just in case you're wondering, the Arlo brand batteries that originally came with the camera will fit in here also. Now, when I need to change batteries, I can immediately put a fully charged battery in any of my Arlo cameras and it'd be back up and running within a minute. This is nice because I have one camera that keeps getting activated by traffic and that battery gets drained pretty quickly. Now I'll always have a fresh battery ready to go whenever I need one. The charging cradle itself comes in white or black, but the batteries only come in white. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge, and here you can see that one battery is done while the other is still charging. If you own Arlo Pro or Arlo Pro 2 security cameras, then this kit from Wasserstein is essential to have in preventing downtime with any of your cameras. Just swap out the batteries anytime you need a fresh one. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.